Welcome to Dreadysays. This is Sup Sunday, but it's not quite Sup today. We are looking at the Pantufla Bare Foot Shoe after I've done about 10 miles in them. Last week there was a 2-mile coastal walk in Wales. It was pretty stony, it was pretty gnarly, it was pretty hilly. Little spoiler, grip was good, but there was a bit of a problem with them, the soles. They're barefoot socks, they're not barefoot shoes. However, there is a new version, I think it's about to land in this country, that Pantufla have sent me with a better sole. It's the new and improved 2.0 version. So there's going to be a little video here, a couple of minutes, had a bit of fun with the X4, filming it in 360, and then there's a little conclusion at the end. Give us a like, give us a sub, and all that. The channel is on the way up now. It's all good. All right, let's get into the little video and then conclusion at the end. Catch you in a bit. Right, we made it. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons. These are the old style Pantufla barefoot shoes. Grip, superb, no problem with the grip at all. See some of the hills that we're going up and down. The smallest stones, they can be a problem. I mean, I'm walking on these now and it's okay, but you get a sharp stone and, you know, it's a bit sore. So the balls of my feet are a little sore from it. It's been a 2-mile coastal walk. On stuff like this, absolutely perfect. And tarmac, not a problem at all. So it's yes, just with some limitations. All right, you take care. We'll catch you for the next one when we get Pantufla upgraded Mark IIs. That's not what they're called, but that's what I'm going to be referring to them as. See you in a bit.